Hi, in today's class we are going to solve these two problems and find x and y by elimination method. For that I am going to take this equation and I am going to rearrange this equation. So x minus y is equal to, this can be written as 9 by 10. So I am going to do the cross multiplication. Therefore 10 of x minus y, which is equal to 9. 10x minus 10y is equal to 9. I am going to keep this equation as 1 and then I am going to take this equation and realign this. Therefore 11 by 2x plus y, which is equal to 1, and I am going to perform the cross multiplication. Therefore 11 is equal to 2x plus 2y, and I am going to keep this equation as 2. Now I am going to perform elimination method. For that I am going to take the equation 1 and I am going to take the equation 2. Okay, so in order to make any of the terms same, so I am going to multiple 5 with this equation 2. Therefore this equation become 10x plus 10y is equal to 55. And I am going to write the first equation here. So if you see this, here plus, here minus, so this both get cancelled. So this will be in addition state, this will be in addition state. Therefore 20x is equal to, here the 64. Therefore x is equal to 64 by 20. For 2, 10 times, 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Therefore this can be written as 3 by 3.2. Okay. Now we found x value. I am going to substitute this x value in any of the equation 1 or 2. Now I am going to substitute this equation. Substitute x is equal to 3.2 in equation number 1. Therefore equation number 1 is 10x minus 10y is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 3.2. So 10 into 3.2 minus 10y, which is equal to 9, minus 10y is equal to, I am going to multiple this. Therefore 32 is equal to 9, minus 10y is equal to 9 minus 32. If I multiple this, it is equal to 2.10. What it is, 32, 9, 2, 1, 3, 2, 23, here minus 10y. Therefore y is equal to minus 23 divided by minus 10. Minus minus get cancelled. Therefore y is equal to 2.3. So we found x is equal to 3.2 and y is equal to 3.3. That's it. Just follow this techniques.